Aloha guys, this is Jonas from OrbTech Tutorials. I have our previous project open here. This is our form project, and today I will incorporate this form inside a table using HTML. So to start off, we will put our table tag, opening and closing tags right here, and I would like to see where the borders are located, so I will make it visible by putting border and assigning 1. The number could vary, it just depends on how thick you want the border to be, and I'm gonna leave it like that way right now, and I'm gonna put this inside a header. So I'll press enter, and to put the header you put the th. It just tells the web browser that anything inside this tags is to be read as a header. So I'll write our company name, OrbTech Tutorial, and yeah. So to create a different row with different cells, we have to put the TD tag, or this is the cell tag, and then the TR tag, it just shows the rows where the contents of the form that we've made will be. So I'll just copy paste this one to put the closing tags. I'll write it right here, and we'll put front slashes. So we'll save this first and refresh, and you can see we have our OrbTech Tutorials logo embedded on inside a cell with a border. And we'll go back to our file, and we will start putting adding our name and other information. So to do that, I will put another row, and I'm gonna write the things as a header, and it will go like this. So header name, then we'll just go down until we made everything. So th, birthday, no, occupation. So pretty much you just repeat this process until you finish everything. And I'm gonna write hobbies, and lastly I'm gonna write birthday, th. And remember, we opened a row tag. We also need to close this one, just like that, and we'll click save, and it should give us these ones. And as you can see, the name cell is big. Just the size of our name cell is the same as the size of our OrbTech Tutorials cell. We want the cell sizes to be the same, and we want this OrbTech Tutorials to be centered along the headers that we have. So to do that, we need to go back to our file, and we'll just play around with our header here, so we can put tools pan or columns pan. It just tells the web browser how much one cell, how much one cell or the size of one cell with accordance to the number of columns inside it. So in here we have 4 columns, so I will write 4 so that this would be in the middle of all 4 headers that we have. So I'll do that, and when we refresh you can see it's in the middle. So we'll go ahead and continue more, and I would like to change the color of this header and this one to another color. It's fairly easy to do that. We just go here and put background color, and you can assign any color that you want. For me, I'll just put let's say green, and for our headers we can put background color, let's say sky blue, just for fun. And we'll click save, and when we refresh it you can see the background of Orbitech tutorials is green, and the background of our headers is sky blue. So we will also embed a video, the one that we made before, on the bottom, but I would like to put some information here for name, occupation, hobbies, and birthday. So it's very simple. We'll just make another row, tr, then our closing tag of this new row that we make, and we just write in my name, and we'll just repeat the process, filling out the information that corresponds to the previous headers. So hobbies, I like computers, so I'll just put computers, and birthday. Alright, so I'm put my birthday, and yeah, so everything looks identical to the one above, or the information down here corresponds to the headers above. So we'll just click save, and when we click, as you can see, the cell size automatically adjusts, and the name that we had corresponds to our header for name, and occupation to student, hobbies, computers, and birthday to this one. And now I'm gonna put a video right under here in this part, and to do that we just pretty much we just create another row with another cell, and then we put the closing tags. Now we have to put the cell tag first, and then the tr, and then we're gonna go and embed a song, or a video, I mean. So I'm gonna go to my videos, and I'm gonna get HTML form video, and just like what we did with our previous tutorial, we're gonna embed. So we just click on this embed button.
Aloha guys,
and we're gonna copy this code and paste it in our new row. So just click save and refresh, and you can see we have our video here, but it's following the cell size of our name, name cell and our our name cell. So we want this the video window to be the size of all the headers, name, occupation, hobbies, and birthday. So to do that, let's go back here, and in the cell we just put call span equals to 4 because we have 4 cells for our headers. So when we click refresh, it should look like this, and we can just play around, and we can align this border here with our cell border. So to do that, we can just go back to our field set, and we can mess around with the width until it becomes aligned. So that's pretty small adjustment. So I'll just put 475 pixels, and hopefully it will align our borders. So yep, it looks aligned. So pretty much that's it for this tutorial, and that's how you make cells and or tables using HTMLs, and how to put different background for each cell. This is Jonas, and thank you for watching.